In this video, I'll show you how to toggle on or off live translation on Android. Begin first by opening up your Android settings app. My Android settings app is on my home screen and I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once open, scroll down in your settings until you see System and tap on System. In System, underneath the subheading Languages and Input, you should see Live Translation. Tap on it. On my device, Use Live Translation is currently toggled on. If I wanted to toggle it off or turn it off, all I need to do is tap on this toggle again. And there we go, Use Live Translation is now turned off. To turn it back on again, simply tap on the toggle. So you have a couple of settings here when you're using Live Translation. You have a toggle to only download languages via Wi-Fi. Currently I've got that toggled on. I'm going to leave that toggled on. You can choose the language to translate to. Currently for me that's set to English. However, if you wanted to change it, simply tap here and then select the language from the available language list. I'm going to keep it on English and I'm going to go back. You can also select the language you want to translate from. Currently I've got the French language added here, and if I wanted to translate from French, I'd simply tap on this toggle. And there we go, now live translation will occur from the French language. If I wanted to add another language, I would simply tap on Add a Language. And again, choose from the available language list. I'm going to tap on back here. At the bottom of your Live Translate settings, this is something you should pay attention to. So it says Live Translate detects other languages and shows you translations. Your phone will need to download languages to use Live Translate. So just keep that in mind. Because I toggled on French to translate from, it's currently downloading the French language to use Live Translate from. So keep that in mind. That's why the circle is continuously looping. You can see the downloading icon at the top left-hand corner here. I'm going to wait until the download has completed. Okay, I'm back. The download has completed, and now we can translate from French. Now, in my case, I actually wanted to toggle off Use Live Translate, so I'm just going to tap on the toggle to turn it off. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to toggle on or off Use Live Translation on Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?